Hi everyone, it's Anne, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to come on and share the Standiy liquid glue stand. And this is such a must-have tool on every crafter's desk. Honestly, this is such a simple design, yet it just has the right function for all crafters. And I'll show you this silicone glue is such a pain, and it takes forever to use. I love using this bottle. Obviously it is well loved, but it takes forever to wait for the glue to come down. And now I'll just have this product ready waiting for me to use, and I'm just like loving how simple and easy this design is. It does come in this really hard plastic, and it takes 2 seconds to put together. You just clip it in, fold it, clip it in, and there is this foam adhesive that is already attached, and it does come with replacements as well that you put in, and it prevents the bottle from slipping. And I can't believe it fit my big bottle of art glitter glue. This is the 8-ounce size, and it just sits comfortably in this little holder. And there, it's not flimsy at all. It just rests and it does its purpose. And I wanted to go and test out my smaller bottles, especially my Nuvo drops, only because anyone knows that if you have air in the tip, it tends to squirt out when you're about to apply it onto a project. So if you want to prep your bottles, you need to have the Nuvo or any of these kind of glitter glues upside down. Now, I just don't have the capacity on my desk to have a beautiful stand of all of my drops sitting upside down, and it's just such a space waster in my opinion. So I cannot believe that your little itty bitty bottles of glitter glue will also sit in this stand. It is a game changer. I'm so excited. So literally, as I'm about to get ready to use these drops on my projects, I will slip them in here and the bottle will be prepped, and all I have to do is go and squeeze this out on a project. I'm just going to test this out. And you're ready to go. See? No squirts, no ooze. That was a bad drop job, but but you get the point. Honestly, I cannot believe how simple and easy this is, and it fits all different bottle types. This does come in a 2-pack and it's available on Amazon. I will leave product information down below. I honestly think this is a game changer. I can't believe how simple and easy and how lightweight this is. And if I don't use it, I can just unfold it and just put it away. And it fits all bottles of different sizes. And I think this is a must-have tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.